Chapter 6 Circulatory and Excretory Systems. The human body is made up of many organ systems. Every organ system performs specific functions which helps the body to function normally. Different organ systems work together to make up the body system. In this chapter, we are going to learn about the circulatory system and the excretory system.
Circulatory system. The organ system that helps in the transportation of substances such as oxygen, water, and nutrients inside our body is called the circulatory system. It is made up of the heart, blood, and blood vessels. Blood moving from the heart delivers oxygen and nutrients to every part of the body. On the way back, the blood picks up waste products so that the body can get rid of them. Heart. The human heart is a muscular organ about the size of a fist. It keeps beating at about 70 times per minute. The heartbeat increases when we exercise or run. It pumps blood throughout the body. Blood. Blood is the thick red fluid of our body that flows through blood vessels to different parts of our body. Blood vessels are tubes through which blood flows in our body. It carries oxygen, water, and nutrients to all the parts of our body. The other task of blood is to keep the body warm. It also carries away waste.
There is a big network of blood vessels in our body.
Blood vessels. Blood vessels extend throughout the body to carry blood from the heart to all parts of the body and then return it back to the heart. Arteries carry blood rich in oxygen away from the heart. Veins carry the blood back to the heart after the oxygen has been delivered to the cells. Arteries appear red, veins appear very dark red or blue. As arteries branch off and get smaller and smaller, they eventually become capillaries. Capillaries are very small tubes extending throughout the body. The excretory system. Excretory system is the system of organs that expel out the waste and harmful products from our body. The excretory system consists of a pair of kidneys, a pair of ureters, a urinary bladder, and a urethra. Kidneys. Kidneys are a pair of bean-shaped structures. They filter waste from blood and help in the formation of urine. The kidneys combine the waste with water to make urine. They also maintain water and mineral balance in body. As the blood passes through the kidneys, all the small particles or molecules are filtered out of the blood. This includes molecules of water, salt, glucose, and urea, a waste product from the breakdown of proteins. Blood is brought to the kidneys to be filtered and then returned to be circulated around the body. The kidney reabsorbs the glucose and as much water and salt as the body needs, putting them back into the blood. This leaves some water, salt, and all of the urea, which is now called urine. Ureters. Urine travels down in two thin tubes called ureters and gets collected in a storage sac called the bladder. Urinary bladder. The urinary bladder has a waterproof lining to stop urine from leaking. Urine is stored in the urinary bladder. When the bladder starts to get full, we know it is time to visit the washroom. Urethra. The urine leaves the body through the urethra. This is the tube leading from the bladder to the exterior of our body. Urine is made of water and waste chemicals, mainly urea. The yellow color of urine comes from a chemical that is made when old blood cells are broken down. We must drink a lot of water to help the kidneys function properly.